Hey y'all, this is Jenny and welcome to Hedden Home Creates. This channel is going to be all things creative. My plan for this channel is to share craft with me videos, making journals and ephemera, participating in Happy Mail swaps, maybe one day do a craft room tour, and share some organization and storage ideas. As you can see, I don't have one style. I enjoy the vintage and the grungy look, as well as the girly, bright look. So if this is something you think you might enjoy, please come along on this journey with me and let's get crafty together. So I'll show you a little bit of what I've got here on my desk. This is a journal that I made from Lady Coddington's Pressed Fairy Book. I created the journal a little while ago and I just have not decorated the inside. So I'll do like a quick little flip through even though it's not really decorated. I did a little side pocket here. And this is coffee dyed paper, some Tim Holtz paper, and then I put the book, some of the pages from the book in. Some of the fairies are a little risque, I guess would be the word. So I didn't put all of them. So it's open for a lot of decorating that needs to be done. So I hope to get to that. So I need to make some ephemera to go in here. I also have pressed flowers from my husband and I, foraging, I guess you would call it. And I've picked flowers and he made me a flower press. So I have a lot of pressed flowers that I would love to put in this journal as well. And make slides and, you know, all of those creative little things as well. So just a quick little flip through here. You can see I haven't done much at all. And I just love the handwriting. See, I put that tape there because, yeah. Okay, and there's another pocket here, and you can tell that I need to do something here. I don't know. I don't know what my plans are for this book yet, but I do need to finish it. And then this is some ephemera that I have made just to show, you know, the vintage grungy style, that I do enjoy this style. But then sometimes, you know, you kind of get tired of that. And then I want the girly style. Oh, here's another. This would be a perfect journal or example of a journal that I did that is girly. This is a journal that I want to work on. And I'll show you that in just a second. This was a Simplicity sewing pattern that I created a journal with. And it's, you know, the pinks and the girly colors. This one does have some decorating in it that I've pretty much completed this one. And that's a little like origami dress I made. An old vintage card made into a pocket. A doily. Children's book. And this is just a little I made this so long ago. I don't even remember what is in this. And that comes out as well. Yeah. It's been stored, so. And I did use a little bit of the pattern. And I made a tag out of the pattern. And I believe I got this, I have a Sears catalog, and I got this picture out of that. And those are just clipped in. This one is a pocket. I don't have anything in it, but it is a pocket. And then I added some trim there, fabric. And I used the tab from the envelope to make a little tuck. So this one is more girly, but it still has a lot of vintage in it, just not grungy. It's a flip down. And that pocket needs to be repaired. My paper is a little thin. And that opens up. I've also made journals with little golden books. I enjoy that also. So I have basically two different styles that I enjoy. So I plan on doing both. Okay, so this is a journal that I want to make. I have not decided what I'm going to use for the journal cover. I think this is cute. It's kind of big. I guess I could make two journals instead of just one. So I haven't really decided yet. I got this at Five Below, and it has all of these cute little, these are like the velvet, and you color them in from, I'm going to say like back in the day, in the 80s maybe, we had these. We used to do them all the time. And then some really cute color sheets that I thought I could add in. And I think maybe, yeah, there's some stickers back here. So I could totally use this book for the cover. Maybe cover the cover with something different, or leave it and cover this. I have not decided yet. And I also got this book with the strawberries, and I like the paper. It's almost like watercolor paper. Also got this book. All of this came from Five Below. So I have a lot of options. I just haven't narrowed it down to what I'm going to do. So maybe you could put in the description or put in the comments what you think would be the cutest cover. I just think these are adorable. And we can make this together. I also bought the Doodlebug Berry Sweet pack to go with the journal to use for the scrapbook paper. I have this fabric. I bought this to make some ephemera with. And the sweet little lady that I bought the paper pad from, she gifted me all of these cute little, this is a Doodle Pop sticker, the brads. She gifted things to make a card. So that'll be fun, along with some doilies. So I can use all of that in the journal as well. I have another one of these books. I just like the paper. Also, I thought I could use those in the journal, and these are cute. They can go in there somehow too. And then I found some vintage wrapping paper with strawberries that I would like to use in the journal also. So that's a little bit about me and the channel and what I plan on sharing. Oh, and this is a little cotton candy that you can hang on the side of a journal. I made this. So things like this, I would like to share ideas or how I did this, my crafty process in making these. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. So thank you for stopping by, and soon I will have another video on, I have a small thrift haul that I did over the weekend that I will get up within the week. Thanks for stopping by.